Okay, this is an easy question. Can I do it in 10 minutes? I don't know, it's been a while since I've done linked list. Let's see. Reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and then return the reverse list. Oh, so we're mutating the actual element? Like the actual parameter, or are we returning a new parameter? Let's see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we just reverse it. 1, 2, 2, 1. This head, it's an optional. That means it can be empty as well. Like not like there's nil in Python, right? I'm blanking out. I think so. And then list node doesn't have to have any next elements either. Does it have to be sorted? Given the head of a single linked list, reverse the list and return the reverse. I don't think so. I think the dichotomy or the ordering doesn't really matter. What about the values inside list node? Like a value, does it have to be integer, float? I don't think it really matters, to be honest. Those are some of the questions that come up to mind. Let's see. We can't have an empty, apparently, so number of nodes in the list can range from 0 to 5,000. The values can be from 5,000 to 5,000. Follow-up, a linked list can be reversed either iteratively or recursively. Can you implement both? I actually don't know how to do the recursive. I'm really bad at the recursive ones, but the more I practice, the more I'll get better at it. So iteratively, how would I do this on paper? Well, if I had like a pointer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would just point them the other way. Yeah, actually. Or I would, how should I do this? Because for a linked list, you can't really start from the end though. You have to like start from the start. So maybe like appending them to a list and then creating a list based on that. That would be the iterative approach. First, yeah, kind of like a stack, to be honest. That's the approach I'm seeing. Recursively, if I like when I think of recursion, I think of like I'm giving this job to someone else, and then once they're finished with it and they come back to me, I should have the information I need. What information do I need to give to other people in terms of recursive? Well, when we're at the beginning, I want the last element, right? So I want the last element so I can kind of add it into, or well, it's not just the last element, it's like I want 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I probably need to watch a video for the recursion part. I don't know, I'm pretty rusty with that. Probably need to do some practice problems in recursion too, or dynamic programming, or whichever one. I don't really, I had a whiteboard, but I don't really need it. I'm just going to start implementing and hope for the best. So if head is equal to null, if head is none, I think, return that. Reversed. I honestly don't even need this case. If head is not none, reverse.append, we need a current, so we gotta iterate through the linked list. It was current head. Okay. And while cur does not equal none, we do something, and then but we gotta make sure that we do cur.next as the way to go on to the next element. And then the something here would be reverse.append cur.val. Okay, and then we come here and we need to create a reversed linked list, and then we return the reversed linked list. And this linked list should be a list node. And for element and reverse, we just gotta keep on doing it. Cur is equal to head. Cur is equal to reverse linked list. Reversed link like cur dot value element. Cur dot next, we want to actually implement. Wait, hold on. What do I mean by cur is equal to reverse linked list? No, that makes sense. Because I want to reference the actual like the beginning, and this cur is gonna be continuously going on to the next element. So if we run this, oh, never mind. Output 0, 0, 0. All right, what am I doing wrong? Yeah, zeros. I don't even need this check, to be honest. Well, cur is not equal to none. Okay, so some debugging. Print reversed. Just gotta see like what's going on. std out 1, 2, 3, 4. And then while reversed is not empty, while we're like length of reverse does not equal 0. I actually want to do reverse dot pop. Why is that? Why does that give a problem though? Yeah, why does that? First of all, why is there 6 zeros? And I guess it's because we define cur.next in advance. So I'm thinking we do next. Come here. Do this. I don't think this is going to solve it though. At least there's 5 now. That's good to see. Why is the output 0 though? Is it because cur and reversed are different? Maybe. Maybe I'll keep looking head and head. Like result head and result head dot next. Right, and then well, I mean it's the same thing though, because I'm doing this. Well, let's see. No, still 0. Still 0. Why? Like, can I do a print of this value? Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What am I doing wrong? It's 12 minutes in. Definition for singly linked list, class, def. I'm doing something wrong. Just don't know what. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, I got a meeting coming up. I think I was actually supposed to just return reversed. Like a list is no. Yeah, return a linked list. What in the world? All right, I'll come back to this.